In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create dark mode in Wix. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening your Wix site from the dashboard. Once the site loads, click Edit Site to enter the editor. From the left toolbar, click Site Design. This is where you can control the overall design settings for your website. Under the section labeled Customize Your Site Design, click Colors. Here you will see the main color settings that apply across your site. Begin by reviewing your base colors and accent colors. If needed, update them to darker shades that match the dark theme you want to create. This helps set the foundation for the rest of the design and keeps your colors consistent across different sections and elements. Next, click Advanced Settings to access more detailed color controls. In the General section, locate the primary background color and change it to a dark color, such as black or dark gray. This will become the main background tone for your site. Then update the secondary background color to another dark shade if your design needs additional contrast between different areas. After that, adjust the lines and dividers color. This is important because borders and separators need to stay visible against a dark background. Choose a color that stands out clearly without being too bright. Now scroll down to the text section. Change the titles, subtitles, and body text colors to light tones like white or light gray. This improves readability and gives your site the classic dark mode appearance. Then update the secondary text and links and actions colors. Make sure these are also easy to see and provide good contrast against the darker backgrounds. Once your main color settings are updated, review your site carefully. Look through your sections, buttons, and other themed elements to confirm they are using the new color scheme properly. Pay attention to visibility and balance throughout the page, so nothing looks too dim or too harsh. When everything looks right, click Preview to see how your site appears with the dark mode design. This gives you a chance to check the final result before publishing. If you are satisfied with the look, click Publish to make your changes live on your website. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.